Hello again, people. A little bit of a different video today. Fusion 360 video. I am gonna do a couple of shoutouts. Let's see. Shout out to Fisher 3D. He had a good tutorial on making threads, and also wait long. A shout out to, let's see, what was the name of the other guy? Sam Birchenough made a video of Autodesk Fusion's channel, also on threads. So a shout out to those two. Thanks for making these videos. They were really good. Put me on the right track on how to make the threads I need. So basically, I'm gonna show you. This is a fuel cap for a land mover, but as you can see, wait, let's see if I can get it showing. Right here under my finger here, it's cracked, so every time I go uphill, it's spewing out fuel. And what I want to show you today is on the inside, it has this weird thread. How should I say it? The wall here, the wall here is flush to the thread. And what I found is that both of these threads are male, so in the same direction. Usually they use that on things where you have a cork, but the thread, the thread itself is not like typical, because it comes like this, and then it's like chamfered kind of long like this. And I have made a similar version here, and let's see. Just need to split my screens a bit. So the thread is sort of chamfered like this. That's the best I could do for now. But when you sort of try to chamfer an edge like this, you can use a fillet. No, it's not a fillet. You use a chamfer. You cannot use big values here in 0.99. So if you do that, that's like the best you can do with a normal chamfer. So the thing is, how can I make this this big chamfer like I did here? And I did that by cheating a little bit. So I'm going to show you guys on this how I made this. So basically, they're all on the same side. So I will start off by making a offset. So I click here, and I'm gonna make an offset here like this, and then I'm gonna move that offset to a point, distance to object. In this case, I want it to start roughly here, so I cannot actually use a node. I need to use distance. Okay, so let's see. I want to watch it from the right, and I want to move the offset as close to the end of this. So let's see, I want to go a little bit further back, one maybe, nope, 20, 1, 2, 1. I think I'll stay on 21 there. Okay, so what I have done now is I made an offset plane there, and then I draw on that offset plane, I draw a sketch of what I want to cut out, and I have actually done that previously. So I'm gonna just project the sketch I have from before, which is this one. So I'm just gonna project that P for project, And okay, so on this I have now this L, just complete it like this, and can I rotate it? I think I can. Move, rotate, axis, and I'll just select this as the axis, and so it didn't want to let me do that. Okay, let's see if we can do this a little bit different. I'm going to copy that, but hang on, I need to have the correct placement of the thingy, so I'll do this. I'll project the line, because the line should be in the same position. Okay. So the line is there, and I have a fixed place for this. So I'll take that one, copy, and paste. And now I have it here. Now I can just, first I can link it to original point, that is this one. And then I can move it to this point. Actually, that is not correct. Need to rotate it because of the way it's set up. V for copy, and I need to rotate it on, so which axis? Here I need to, so it's not easy to find the correct axis. It's this one. $180 should be correct. And then I'll move it to the side a bit. And I will move it to point, that one, to this one. And now I will rotate it again. And I will select the axis I used here before. And now I can rotate it into placement. That's 180 degrees. So that is a total mirror version of this one, but on the other side. So you can see that. So if I do a top view on this, it should overlap perfectly. Okay. I'll press OK on that. So now I have made a sketch here, and it lines up. And all I have to do now to create my extra fillet is to use that one. I will hide my main body because I only want to slice my thread. So I'll hide my main body. There. And I press OK on that. And that is how you cut it out. So you see you have these nudges here in the middle, and that is not very pretty. So what you do is you don't click the edges because it will not work. You click the point, and then you click fillet, and then you, hang on, it didn't work. I think it's the side maybe. this. So just getting that out of the way a little bit. And then I think it's there or there. Let's see. There maybe. I did this before. Yeah, you can see that it goes a little bit like this. So let's see, how far do we put it? Two, 5, 4 maybe, 5, 4, 3, 2. So I can go up to 41. Okay, so you can see now that you've sort of filleted off the edges a bit. See if I can reduce that more. No, I cannot. So those edges are okay. And then they are looking pretty okay on both sides. And then I can bring in the main body. And that is how you create your own special chamfer edges on your threads. So basically the steps are make an offset plane that's like aligned to the side of the thread. And then you just draw a sketch. I use the spline tool. And once you have that sketch, you can just extrude cut the edge of the thread. And then you only need to fillet the edges of the thread. And I think this is a really okay, nice way to create good threads to work with. Okay, thanks for watching. And please like and subscribe if you like these kind of tutorials. Bye bye.